The Material World 31. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on how people strive to create the perfect life. It is quite obvious when observing most people, that they strive hard in order to beautify their material world. In fact, many go beyond this by striving to mold their life so that it becomes perfect and permanent. For example, people spend large amounts of wealth on trying to build the perfect home while hoping that it will endure. Companies make billions out of this desire of people to be perfect and timeless, such as cosmetic companies. Some people endure painful operations in an attempt to defy time and achieve perfection. This shows that there is something within a person's soul which desires perfection and permanence. But the strange thing is that no matter how much resources one uses and no matter how much effort they dedicate, these two things, namely perfection and permanence, are not obtainable in this world. This internal desire was placed inside people to make them strive for perfection and permanence in a place where they do exist, namely the hereafter. Unfortunately, some misunderstood this desire and misplaced it. Muslims should therefore not make this mistake, but instead place this desire in the correct place by striving in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Only then will they be able to fulfill this desire and achieve true perfection and permanence. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.